Friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Friends, today also I brought for you the exclusive collections, but not the ready-made women apparels, but it's from the running material. You're watching at my background. These are the mannequins of these collections where you can see the designer, printed cum designer, mirror work and the thread work and the stone work. All these pattern varieties and the entire section you can see here. Only dress material of collections over here. And today I brought for you the exclusive collections from the cotton segment, printed cum Jaipuri pattern. So keep watching this video, subscribe the channel. Resellers, if you're into suit material business, you can buy at factory cost from the manufacturers at wholesale price, and you can have these collections into your business to have a smooth purchase and a huge profitable business to make your customers happy, right? So all these varieties you can purchase, and I have a sample season to season where we are giving you all these collections. So one is the pattern of Sanchi code, which is a mini print. I can see here the red with white color combination with the half white, which is Sanchi is the code. You can take down the screenshot. I'm not saying the particular price of the collections. Approximately today I brought for you some 400 range to in between the 800 rupees of the collections, and the beautiful printed dupattas for the college girls, youngsters and the working women. No, this looks very pretty look when we stitch and wear, and the dupattas are Indian traditional based. Every girl and every woman, they wear like this or like this, okay, like this. There are different style varieties of putting dupattas. You can also have these collections. Even many out of country people also like the suit materials they want to stitch. So all these collections are having different colors also. With the color chart we are giving you. The next pattern, such a beautiful one of the mixed color of the military green. This is a thread work and the sequence work has been given. This is the work which comes in the bottom, and there is a floral sequence work has been done. In this you have a bottom will be a plain, and dupatta which is only mirror work. This dupatta, see, this is one of the pattern. So very simple, very classy. Only I need thread work come sequence work, means this collections of Jaipuri pattern. You have lot many exclusive collections. If I talk about the next pattern, which is a baby pink color, which is a digital printed, you can take a screenshot when I'm not sharing you the code. This is the beautiful pretty floral garden pattern, and the lavender pink I can see here, and here you have a dupatta. See, beautiful thread work and the satin lace has been placed. This is one of the pattern. If I talk about the next pattern, digital printed of the soft malmal cotton with the ari work. See, these are all exclusive collections. Here the ari work has been done, and this is the cotton bottom and the organza digital printed dupatta. See, such a beautiful pretty dupatta. This is a variety. If we talk about the next color, chocolate color. I like chocolate color. See, chocolate color with mehendi green color combination. Beautiful pretty with the thread work and the Jaipuri pattern. And this is the bottom of the flower printed, leaf printed. And this is dupatta. Okay. Dark mehendi green dupatta. This comes like this. Okay. This is dupatta and this is top. All these exclusive collections, top 2.5, bottom 2.5, and dupatta 2.5, total 7.5 are running material where you can purchase and you can stitch according to your style and depend on your personality. We do have many more varieties. Again, the one more Jaipuri pattern and the Rangoli print pattern. Such a beautiful mirror work and the thread work. The total half white combination. This is the bottom with the lace border highlighted. And again, no, this is the dupatta, which is a printed, very classy look, and the lace being highlighted on the both the sides. This is one of the pattern. All these exclusive collections you can purchase. With every pattern you will find out the color charts, and all cotton varieties from 400 to 800 I've shown you. I've not mentioned here any specific prices. If you want to know specific price, please take a screenshot, call to our executives, online sales team. They will provide you the details, because many clients are doing a business with us. That's why we won't share the price. Okay, next pattern with the creamish color, with the light mandy green color, I can say, over the digital bold floral printed on the thread work and the lace being highlighted. This is the thin lace of the designer with the creamish color of the kurta, what the suit material color has been highlighted. And this is a plain silk which is highlighted. If you want to see, this is the dupatta, and this is the color combination of the good suit. So bottom will be a plain. If I talk about the next pattern, Kohinoor collections of digital printed of the dark brinjal color. Yeah, this is a running of the bottom will be a plain. This is a plain of dark brinjal color, and this is the running covered with the floral printed. And if I talk about the beautiful dupatta, which is a all over digital pattern, Kohinoor collections. Okay, this is one of the pattern. All these exclusive collections, season to season, manufacturers they bring new varieties for the resellers entire the world, while we are giving you at factory based price. That's why everyone knows that Surat is a textile market, and people are getting all over the country. They travel to Surat. That's why you also should take an experience of Surat. Surat market, what all you're getting. Before starting or investing on the clothing business, you have to take an experience. You have to do research. You have to know, find out what all the collections you're getting, how the quality, how the collections here. Black with half white. All favorite women's, one of the color combination with the black with the gray color finishing with the digital printed, and even the net base finished. And this is a bottom which comes the only black color. This one, and here you can see the dark mud color border has been highlighted with the digital printed dupatta. So different, unique printed. See, this is a dupatta, and in this dupatta the work has been done. See how the thread work has been designer cut. This is what the unique, I can say. So that's why you have to always keep the unique things at your business to make your customers happy. Always now a trend is people are looking for new collections, right? So hope this cotton varieties you liked it. I have not mentioned here, I have showed you today low range collections from 400 to 800. Don't take anything fixed price I've shared with you. I've not shared any fixed price because many retailers are doing business with us. So I can't tell the price in the video. Please hope you understand. And collections, these are the many more varieties. And I can talk about Georgette, I can talk about Vichitra, I can talk about cotton, Chanderi, Malmal, Jaipuri, Jam cotton, PC cotton, many more varieties, even chiffon, crush, no, all these varieties. These collections are not according to season, according to state. Every state varieties you can also purchase. So I complete this video. Hope this collections you may liked it. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Please share the link with everyone, with your friends, relatives, with everyone. And we do provide you safely transport shipping, even in the online, even in the offline business. So that's why video calling benefits also there. Keep supporting. Next video will come up with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।